Everyone, and welcome. This is So Blessed by Jess, and today we are going to continue in the Civil War book and sampler book. And so, I have this basket. I put all of the pieces inside of it, and I pulled out block 39. I figured that would be just more fun than going in order. So you're like, ooh, what are we going to do today kind of deal. So Kentucky Crossroads is the way to go. So once you get past 16, sorry. So once you get past block 16, the cutting instructions are actually inside the book on that page. So I won't be able to show you the page that it comes on, but I can still show you the pictures. It's a very simple block. Let me show it to you again. So I was able to go ahead and cut it out. Where are my pieces? Be right back. All right, they have been found. I know, I can sometimes lose my head. Oh, you want to see my shirt? This calls for a spreadsheet. Anyone knows that I'm a math teacher knows that, well, I love spreadsheets. I just happened to put it on today. We had testing, and every time we do testing, you know, I get back the results, put it in my spreadsheet, growth, you know, all that good stuff. So, anywho, I'm regressing and waffling and going on and down rabbit trails that I shouldn't be. So here we go. We have 3 fabrics that we're going to be working with today, and it's kind of like a little Americana, but we have some strip pieces, some triangles, and the square for the crossroad. So I'm going to go ahead, turn you around, put you on my mat, and then we'll do a time-lapse video like we did the other day of me creating this block. All right, so let's go ahead and put this block together. So it's going to be on, this is on point, the square. But then we have, I call these spokes. I know they're really not spokes, but we have the crossroads piece, and then these triangles will go like this. All right, and then so what we're gonna do is I am going to sew these 2 pieces to the square, these 2 triangles to the center, and then I will go ahead and add the sides on. When I finish that, I will trim it down to 8.5 inches square. All right, so maybe not a time-lapse video. Maybe we should just do the video. This is kind of like how I roll. Just piecing them one right after the other. So today's been a busy, productive day, and I really enjoy doing these blocks. It's like I'm learning something new about them. Let's get something to cut it with. Just learning the history behind all the blocks too. It's amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna go away. So here we go, the Kentucky Crossroads block. Beautiful, absolutely love the coloring. Let's talk a little bit about the history. When the rivers of the nation's transport Crossroads, the junction of the Ohio and the Mississippi rivers in western Kentucky, was the heart of the conflict. Kentucky, a slave state with split loyalties, began the war as officially neutral. But neutrality was impossible to maintain. Union sympathizers gained political strength in 1861, so the Confederate troops marched in to secure all important Mississippi, claiming the town of Columbia, Kentucky, and the river below it. Yankees paired by sending General Ulysses S. Grant's Union Army to occupy Paducah, Kentucky, at the junction of the Ohio and Tennessee rivers, ensuring that the North controlled the Ohio River. Paducah remained under Union occupation for the duration of the war, and Kentucky remained a Union state. Ooh, Paducah. Anybody going to Paducah? See, I'm squirreling. So instead of going and talking about the Civil War quilt, I'm thinking about the big quilt show that's there. No, but that's really some amazing content that they put within that book. So I'm going to share that one. I normally don't share the full piece that it talks about within the book, but I'll do that today. Absolutely. Anywho, I hope you guys have a wonderful evening. Thank you so much, or day, morning, whenever you're watching this video. And I hope that you come again, you come watch some more videos and have fun, leave some comments. What do you want to see next? You know, my coriander sampler quilt will be coming out for my next video, and I have a couple shorts coming up so that are scheduled out. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for following along, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.